Sometime in the year 2011, a small group of train lovers who were enjoying the 1/8 scale train hobby at a private track in mid-Ohio decided to pursue a track closer to home. Talks began with the Erie County Metroparks to find a location that could be used as a club home base and also a place to give train rides to the public. The Eagle Point Metropark, located on Route 6 between Sandusky and Huron, Ohio, was chosen as the suitable location. There was fairly flat land with some woods to provide a decent track plan. In 2014, the Erie Metro Live Steamers were chartered as a tax-exempt organization to promote small train activities and provide education in railroad operation and train safety. Over the next 2 years, an original 600-foot loop of rail was laid in a grassy field. This was the beginning of what exists today. Future development provided a much larger loop, which includes a 320-foot long bridge. In the middle of this expansion, a nearby brick building belonging to the park system and located at one end of the track was leased by the club, and it is utilized for storage, a workspace, a meeting area, and a kitchen used by members on some run days. Expansion continued with the completion of another large loop in 2019 and the addition of the first storage container, 6 steaming bays, a transfer table, and a hydraulic loading-unloading hoist. Since then, a second container has been installed along with another hoist to facilitate storing and retrieval of rolling stock and locomotives. As of this date, the track on the ground is approximately 9,000 feet of 7.5-inch gauge aluminum rail configured in 3 interconnected loops. Options allow running of the loops individually or in any combination. The club gives educational rides to the public on a published schedule. They also have a trained Operation Lifesaver instructor who attends each run to instruct riders on train safety. The success of the club relies on donations received from the public at their run events, from the community at large, and from grants which they've applied for. In this video, members of the Lakeshore Live Steamers from Kirtland, Ohio, joined us for a club run day. Thanks go out to Brent Lane, their club photographer, who obtained drone photography for the event.